But to create this model, what you seen in thumbnail, first select this cube and delete this and select these two objects and hide these two objects for now, and then press Shift A and select the mesh and add a circle over here and change the widths to 16 and then select edit mode. Select all of the vertices and extrude along z-axis like this somewhat. Then switch to wireframe mode and select the bottom, all the bottom vertices, and scale inside like this. Then again switch to solid mode and then give some of the loop cuts. I am giving number of cuts to 12. Then switch to wireframe mode. Select all the faces what you seen. Then switch to solid mode again. And then face select and then right click, select poke faces and then select any of these two edges. What I am doing here, you can see I'm selecting these two edges. Switch to select mode, and after selecting these two edges, press Shift G and select similar length. Give threshold to 0.06 and compare position to less. And then again right click and select these edges and again press Shift G. Now select face angles and then press X, dissolve faces, and then press I to insert the faces. Before that, select individual insert faces and then press X to delete all of faces. Before that, I want to deselect some of the faces. I don't want these faces. And then see all the remaining faces are selected. And then press X to delete all the faces. Then select the object and go to modifier properties and select subdivision surface. Apply the subdivision surface modifier to the object. And then give level viewports to 2 and right click, give shade smooth. Then select the object and go to edit mode and select the edge. Select the edge, extrude to outside like this, extrude this to outside, and again extrude this along Z axis like this, and again extrude this along inside like this, and then select these two edges and right click, select bridge edge loops and give two loop cuts over here and select this edge, apply bevel to this two segments bevel. For this edge, select again Ctrl B, bevel this to two segments bevel, then give a loop cut over here and select the bottom edge, again give bevel with two segments, or you can give three, and then now select the bottom edge, extrude it to somewhat inside like this, and extrude along Z axis at some distance and scale inside to make a angle. Then select face menu and fill the gap with grid fill, give span to 4 and offset is 2. Okay, and then select this edge, bevel this to 3 segments and bevel this to 2 segments. Again select these all edges by hold shift key, bevel this to 2 segments, again give some loop cuts and then again apply subdivision modifier, and then see the finally the model is completed. I hope you like this modeling process, and then hit the like button and do subscribe this channel. That's it for now. I will come with new model.